Orúkọ mi ni Ọmọ́wùmí Arọ́sìn. Media person ni mí. Mo wá síbí láti wá support Laycon because he's our fans and we love him, we cherish him, we love him so much. So I left my work to come and support him because he's so dear to us and we love him so much. We love him because he has so many impacts. He has produced so many impacts to us and he has helped us. He has shown us that there is nothing impossible for us to do. There is nothing impossible for us to do.
Orúkọ mi ni Tóyìn Dúrójayé tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí icon afroti Lagos godmother lórí Twitter. Àwa pàdé Laycon ni ọmọ wa nípínlẹ̀ Ogun ni nílùú Abeokuta torí ẹ̀ la ṣe tú jáde láti wá pàdé ẹ̀ torí oríyìn ló ṣe fún wa nípínlẹ̀ Ogun torí ẹ̀ la ṣe jáde láti wá pàdé ẹ̀ lẹ́nu. Big brother Naija láti ilẹ̀ lèmi ti nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí gbọ́ a lot of people wọ́n like ẹ̀ torí gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó máa ń ṣe inú ẹ̀ oríṣiríṣi with the look of things nsìn a rí i pé a lot of people wọ́n ti fell in love pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ torí Laycon because Laycon has changed the narrative of the program. So like I told somebody money if I can convince a professor to vote for Laycon, definitely Big Brother has come to stay. So there is no point of cancelling or no cancelling. Laycon is here and Laycon has come to stay.
People with money like this, like say na governor dey come, and na small boy I don see inside the motor now.
No be small boy like that. Candid. That is our special advisor to Menta.
If you are not appointed of the governor, don't enter that place. If you are not appointed, they will send you out of that place. Let us wait.
First of all, I need you to understand Laycon is an artist first before he became a Big Brother Niger housemate. Now that I'm out of the house, I'm going to be focusing on my music 100%. Music first before anything else.
Well, stories of where you are from. Where are you from?
I'm from Ogun State. My father is from Ogun State. My mom is from Ogun State.
Which side of Ogun State?
My father is from Odeda.
What's your advice to Nigerian youth?
Oh, well, we have to keep believing that Nigeria is going to get better because we are the ones that are going to make Nigeria get better. I mean, as much as everybody wants to leave, we still have to understand that you have to come back here because this is where you are from and there's no place like home. So we have to all come together and work together to make sure that we push the country forward and we keep trying to grow ourselves and our society with everything that we have.
And what the governor has done for you, how do you see it?
It's a very, very wonderful thing, and I feel very, very, very joyous and very grateful. I'm thankful for the belief that he has in me. I'm thankful for the fact that he has given me the responsibility to try and make sure that the youth understand that we are the ones that's going to grow our society, and we have to make sure that we keep doing that.
What should we expect as the youth ambassador of Ogun State? What should we expect from you?
A lot of love and a lot of preaching for love and light in the society. Make sure that the youth understand that we have to take responsibility for our country and we have to move forward and we have to be forward thinking with all our thoughts and we have to keep spreading love and light. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
àtìlẹ́ mo ti ń support ẹ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ní mo máa fi support ẹ̀ ó tún jẹ́ ọmọ ìlú mi Ogun State so inú mi dùn pé mo support Laycon pé mo wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ yes icon ni mí mo dẹ̀ máa support ẹ̀ forever. I just want him to be himself kó jẹ́ bó bá ṣe like ẹ̀yẹn náà kó continue láti máa wà bẹ́ẹ̀ kó dẹ̀ put more effort sí music ẹ̀ we trust him with everything mo mọ̀ pé kò dẹ̀ ever disappoint wa I love him mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ mo dẹ̀ máa continue láti máa nífẹ̀ẹ́.
ẹ káàsán sá.
ẹ káàsán o.
báwo ni kí lórúkọ yín sá.
Akínwálé Ṣógunkẹ́ ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n Akínwálé Ṣógunkẹ́.
ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò wa sá. kí là ń ṣe mí wà ilé ni sá.
a fẹ́ pàdé olólùfẹ́ wa ọmọ Ogun State ọmọ Dẹ́dá tí ó ṣe igba orókè ní program BBNaija tó ṣe kọjá yìí ọmọ tó ń win N5 million yẹn gangan mo lógo tó ń sọ Laycon òun la fẹ́ pàdé ó fẹ́ wá kí gọ́vnọ̀ fẹ́ gbà lálejò.
ok sá ṣé toró ń win nílẹ̀ ṣe jáde lẹ́ni ni àbí kí ló dé jáde lẹ́ni.
torí pé ó jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí Ogun State ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ àzìn ó gbé state wọn gbé lárugẹ torí ó dẹ̀ tún jẹ́ pé ó tún win torí tí kò bá gbégbá orókè náà ó possible ká má lè jáde láti pàdé ẹ̀ lẹ́nu.
àwọn èèyàn kan sọ pé òṣìnà ń ṣe ní programu yẹn pé kò dáa fọmọdé kíní kankan kí lẹ́yìn rí sí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kí lẹ́ advice.
ó dà pé bẹ́ẹ̀mi ṣe rí mo fi ẹ̀ ó dà pé edition yìí náà ni mo rí pé ó jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn tún wà more interested torí tá a bá rí ọmọ tí ó ń win ní kíní yìí tá a bá rí pé làákàyè ẹ̀ ó pé ó yàtọ̀ sí táwọn tó kù so advice tẹ̀mí máa rí tí mo rí sí ni pé àwọn tó bá ní àǹfààní láti kópa ń bẹ̀ kàn try torí at least sí bóyá jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí orílẹ̀-èdè bóyá jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tó tún jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí Ogun State sí ó ní àwọn tó máa fi nǹkan tó ṣe tó máa fi ràn lọ́wọ́.
àárín jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ lórí ètò fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lé Big Brother ò kì í ṣe nǹkan burúkú o ó ń kọ́yọ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ó ń kọ́yọ̀ bí èèyàn ṣe ń báyọ̀ gbé báwọn èèyàn ṣe ń ṣe láàrin èèyàn kò ń ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ló lè gbé láàrin èèyàn 20 o fún 3 months so ẹ má rò pé nǹkan burúkú náà ṣe ń bẹ̀.